This is episode 115. Welcome to Off the Grid. My name is Levi, former city slicker turned off-grid guy, and each week I share my journey off-grid to hopefully help you learn a little bit, try something new, and maybe even do something like this yourself one day. Thanks for tuning in today, and now let the adventure begin. Today I'm out here at the camper. Just got the camper out here a couple days ago, and I need to get up on the roof and reseal the roof because it's done. It's all flaking up, it's cracked, and the rubber coat is pretty much just done. So first off, I got to get up there and scrape off the old stuff and just pretty much get it prepped and ready to where I can go ahead and put that sealant on. Got a 5-gallon bucket of the sealant stuff. It's I think it's called Blackjack. I looked at like the RV store. They wanted anywhere from like $20 to like $28 to $120 a gallon. And so I shopped around a little bit, went to like Lowe's, and got a 5-gallon bucket of this sealant. And I'm guessing it's about the same stuff for like, it was like 40, 45, 46 bucks. So can't go wrong. Try to save a little bit of money. I know sometimes, it's best, well, most of the time it's better to go for quality. But for this at least it's an initial coating. It's black, so I know I'm gonna have to come back and put at least another coating of something to put a lighter color up there, because in the sun's coming down, that place is going to heat up real quick. So anyways, I'm going to get up here and scrape this the old stuff off today. Okay, the roof has been scraped. As you can see, this is one of the missing domes. Like, oops, that one's sitting on top. Like that one there is cracked. This other one was done. This one has a couple of cracks here. Let's see. A couple of really small ones. There's that one and that one, but still. Probably have to replace this one too. But yeah. Got the roof scraped.